We're here in Montgomery County in Magnolia, a new location. You know, for years we've been up in Conroe outside of the courthouse, but because of the fires and the need here in Magnolia, because it's so acute, we brought the location here right off of 1488, the Brookshire Brothers parking lot. They're hoping to get at least 10,000 pounds of food today after those fires left so many people without their homes and in such great need. We're here with Doris Goldman. She's the head of the Montgomery County Food Bank to tell us exactly what it is you're hoping to accomplish today here in Montgomery County.
Today we're hoping to bring in some food to feed the hungry people of Montgomery County.
2011 has been a particularly rough year for this area. I mean, just over the horizon is where those fires were burning.
Yes, we came over here immediately to help feed the people that were affected by these fires. I've driven through the neighborhoods. I mean, it was devastating to these people. And the food bank is here to help people that are going through these, you know, a natural disaster or even an economic disaster or some family issue that's going on in their home. And we need your help. We need our neighbors to help their neighbors by donating to the food bank today.
Either food or monetary donations. Thanks. And also here today, Congressman Kevin Brady from the Woodlands. You're here today to help too?
We are. Christmas time, you know, parents shouldn't have to worry about feeding their children any time of the year. And our community cares, our whole region cares. And so this food drive is just so important.
All right. Thank you very much, Congressman. Thanks to all the people who are up here in Montgomery County. Again, right here on 1488, the 18,000 block, you know it as the Brookshire Brothers parking lot.